The demand for reliable Christmas tree stands has grown as households seek effortless holiday setups. Interestingly, even tech-savvy typists and gamers are increasingly prioritizing stable, high-performance stands to secure their festive backdrops without interrupting their workflow. This guide evaluates the best options, carefully analyzing their switch type, locking mechanism, build quality, layout, stability and base design, and overall value for your home.
Product number 1. Goliath Welded Steel Artificial Christmas Tree Stand. The Goliath Welded Steel Stand is a favorite for artificial trees, particularly for those measuring 9 to 14 feet. Its build quality is exceptionally robust, utilizing heavy-duty welded steel that offers superior stability compared to standard plastic bases. The switch-type mechanism is straightforward and secure, designed to accommodate poles ranging from 0.75 to 2 inches in diameter. Its layout is intentionally functional, featuring foldable legs that make storage simple once the holiday season concludes. For owners of large artificial trees who are tired of wobbly, flimsy bases, the Goliath provides immense value. It is built to last for years, ensuring your towering centerpiece remains upright and safe throughout the season, effectively blending industrial-grade strength with user-friendly convenience.
Product number 2. Best Choice Product 6-foot wrought iron ornament display tree. If your holiday aesthetic leans toward the decorative, this 6-foot wrought iron display tree is a unique alternative to traditional stands. While not a conventional tree base, its sturdy layout serves as a beautiful, standalone ornament display. The build quality is impressive, featuring a classic black wrought iron finish that feels both vintage and sophisticated. Assembly is incredibly easy, making it a great choice for those who value quick, stress-free holiday preparations. This stand offers exceptional value for those looking to highlight their favorite ornaments in a minimalist, modern way, without the bulk of a full-sized evergreen. It is a fantastic decorative accent for offices, entryways, or as a secondary tree for gamers looking to display their collectibles.
Product number 3. Krinner Christmas Tree Genie XXL. The Krinner Christmas Tree Genie XXL is widely considered the gold standard for live tree stability, especially for trees up to 12 feet tall. Its signature switch type is the original single cable operation, which allows you to secure the tree using a foot pedal with remarkable ease. The build quality is top-tier German engineering, featuring a durable plastic reservoir that holds plenty of water, complete with a convenient level indicator to keep your tree fresh. Its layout is designed for one-person setups, eliminating the frustration typically associated with centering large trees. While it represents a premium investment, the ease of use, stability, and longevity offer unparalleled value for families who want a stress-free experience during the busy holiday season.
Product number 4. Good Tidings Cinco C148 Classic Tree Stand. The Good Tidings Cinco C148 is the quintessential workhorse for trees up to 10 feet tall. It features a simple yet effective medium-sized basin that holds an adequate water supply to maintain tree hydration. The build quality is centered on a high-impact, durable plastic construction that resists cracking or leaking. Its layout is classic and straightforward, utilizing a tried-and-true screw-based adjustment mechanism that is easy for anyone to tighten. This stand is perfect for those who want a reliable, no-nonsense solution that doesn't require a steep learning curve. It provides excellent value, offering a durable and dependable foundation for your tree at a very accessible price point, making it a staple for many households.
Product number 5. Home Heritage 360-degree rotating Christmas tree stand. For those who want to showcase their tree from every angle, the Home Heritage 360-degree rotating stand is a game changer. Designed for artificial trees up to 7.5 feet, it adds a dynamic element to your holiday decor. The build quality features a sturdy metal base that provides a secure, reliable foundation for your tree's weight. The rotating layout is smooth and consistent, allowing your ornaments and lights to be seen from every corner of the room. It is a fantastic value add for anyone looking to elevate their holiday presentation with minimal effort. While specifically engineered for artificial trees, its ease of assembly and reliable motor make it a fun, festive upgrade that will certainly impress guests and family alike.
Product number 6. Best Choice Products 360-degree rotating adjustable stand.
This rotating stand from Best Choice Products is a versatile solution for 7.5-foot artificial trees. Beyond its 360-degree rotation, it features a highly convenient layout with 3 built-in electrical outlets, eliminating the mess of tangled extension cords. Its switch type allows for 3 different settings, giving you control over the rotation and lights independently. The black, sleek finish allows it to blend in seamlessly with most tree skirts or floor decor. The build quality is balanced, focusing on providing both stability and integrated electrical functionality. It offers fantastic value by combining a decorative feature with practical cable management, making it an ideal choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts who appreciate a clean, organized, and high-tech holiday setup.